Okay. Dug out 3 foot down. Set 3 center blocks and termite shield. Jacked the house an inch and then lowered upon the new pier. Underneath the pier there is 2 bags of concrete poured. Up underneath the joists I have a 3 2x8s that run from here, caddy corner, across, spanning this corner and relieving that pier from all weight. So from that pier to that pier there is a series of 2x8s screwed up into the floor joist. The house was jacked at 2 points, here and here, again to alleviate any weight from this corner. Alright. Okay. Come to the back of the home, into the crawl space. Where we have another pier with major issues. This pier was sitting on nothing but sugar sand. Sitting on sugar sand and junk, like ceramic tiles and whatnots. So underneath of this slab, which is what the pier is attached to, this was all sugar sand underneath. Alright, far down as you can go. I removed all the junk, scraps, bricks and whatnot, dug out one side of the sand from underneath the pier, poured concrete, mortared bricks and center blocks and placed it back underneath. Waited 2 days for that to cure. Performed the same to the other side. We are now solid, but there's a lot of issues, as you can see, with the foundation supports of this home. The next pier to be refinished is this outside back corner. It is leaning, and separation between each block. So I will build a pier right there next to it, and 2x8s from joist to joist to support the weight of the home and land on the new pier. And that's it.